Every moment there must be a new fresh fire. Just that energy is there within us. Devotion not towards God, devotion towards your parents, devotion towards your duty, devotion towards your work. Darling, energy. Let us notice it within ourselves. Hold like this. At the back, could you see me? Like this. Lock your both hands. Put it near the heart. Shh. Sit straight as a soldier. Close your eyes. Lock your lips. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Lock your hands. Lock your lips. Sit straight. Just that energy is there within us. The permanent address of that great enthusiasm is our soul, our inner world. Notice the valuable energy which is flowing as a cell, which is flowing in the stream of blood. Come on. Each blood cell is carrying that valuable, vulnerable energy. Never neglect it. Energy is not a thing which is to be given from the outer surface, from the outer physical world. It is there within yourself, in your soul, in your thoughts. It is there in each nerve, in each cell, and in each point. Come on, notice that. Take a pledge today that energy will be identified and recognized by me. I will hold and uphold the true enthusiasm to make that energy awake. My life is a chance to prove and to improve every moment. The time is a most valuable thing. I must not waste the time. Energy. The voice of your soul is singing a song for that energy. You welcome it today, right from this moment to the entire life tenure and to the last moment of your last breath, till to the last burn, when this body turns to ash. We must not miss this energy. Energy is not that strength of that physical body. Energy is not that physical form. It is eternal. It is inward. It is to be identified, and it is to be observed, and it is to be improved, and it is to be implemented. Just you ever catch that flow of energy? My dear darlings, your usage of time, how that use the time, how that you purposefully, meaningfully use the every moment of your life will create great things in your life. Never waste a single moment of your life with a note. Please identify it. Please notice that time is not, you are not killing the time. Time is killing you. We celebrate every birthday, but we are forgetting that we are nearing to the death day. Never waste the time. Ever use it with full potency of energy, with a smile on your face, with joy, with light in your eyes, with great deeds, great words listening, with great inspiration. One inspiration is needed. That inspiration is it's not available outside. That inspiration is available inside. Only have that inspiration right from this moment. The first two letters of that inspiration is IN. It is within, W with IN in, that is win. Notice that, realize that, enjoy that, have enthused towards that, have full face of energy in your all activities of looking, listening, speaking, touching, behaving, thinking, remembering, studying, loving, living. Ing may be ing, the continuous form of verb may be differ from time to time, from point to point, but the energy within ourselves, within each verb, within each work is the same as the ing is continuing. That is I for inspiration, N for never, G for give up. With that very note, continue your life with utmost energetic and prove your identity on this planet Earth. Just open your eyes. Just clap with a sound that really shows your assurance for that very identification of your valuable life and valuable commitment. Thank you. Could you feel? Yes, sir. Yes, Dad. Could you feel? Yes. That is the power. That is the power. That is the power. F-R-I-E. Next, what is it? Huh? New, fresh fire. New, fresh fire. New, fresh fire. Every moment there must be a new, fresh fire. Desire, D-E, yes, I. Last three letters of desire, I-R-E. If those desire last three letters are filled with F-I-R-E, a firing desire will take you to the doorstep of success, and the success will come to your doorstep even too. Never forget, every moment is a new, fresh. Fools suffer about the past. Wise learn from the past. I hope that all of my dear darling sons are wiser enough to notify the flaws of the past. A bhootkal hai, a bhoot hai, mat daro. A bhootkal hai, a past hai, a fast hai. Chhod do, learn from it and be the best in the present and achieve everything what that you want. That is what new fresh fire having thoughts. So F-R-I-E-N. How many? 5. How many? 5 friends, major friends. There are sub friends. Never never forget these things. After 20-25 years, when you give birth to your sons, to your daughters, make them sit beside you and tell that there was an eternal Father who came to our campus on 2020 February 1st. He told all these things. My dear son, my dear daughter, if you allow all these friends even in your life, you can also get success like me, and we can be the best inspiring torch bearers of that eternal Father's divine philosophy that you have to tell to your children, own children. My dear friends, next friend, D. What is it? What is it? What is it? There are 5 Ds. Now 3D jamana chal gaya. Kya kis jamana aa gaya? 5D. How many Ds? I will end within 10 minutes. How many Ds? You tell one D. D. You say D. Discipline. What the first D? Arey jor se. What the first D? Second D. Tell. Second D. Devotion. Devotion not towards God. Devotion towards your parents, devotion towards your duty, devotion towards your work. First, self-discipline. Dean should not say, principal should not say, Bharadwaj should not say. Your mouth should shut as if a matter of self-discipline. Devotion towards our duty and towards our parents. Third D, dedication. What is it? What is it? Dedicate for all the positive things. Dedicate yourself. So first is self-discipline. Tell me, first is? Second is? Devotion. Third is? Dedication. Third is? Fourth one is determination. Fourth one is? You have thought of one thing to achieve. Till you move, you don't shirk, you don't move. Last D, diligence. Diligence. What is it? Diligence. Means Shraddha. Shraddha. First. Second. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one, diligence. Diligence. शिरडी बाबा ने कहा है ना, श्रद्धा और सबूर. Saburiya? Yeah, Saburi, I think. In Marathi language it is said. Shraddha may be a term. Sir Albert Einstein was having a few disciples, students, most dedicated students of him at his last breath time. He was about to leave his body. Sir Albert Einstein. Students had asked him one question. Sir, can you please tell a statement how that you have become a great scientist? He was not able to speak anything. One student put his ear near the mouth of Albert Einstein. He said, diligence. If you have that shraddha over your job, over your studies, over your parents, over your life, no kapoor can make you poor. No kapoor can make you poor. Oh, very good. You rightly said, Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha Kapoor is always be in a state of poor. Shraddha Kapoor always be in a state of poor.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.